Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. I want to say thank you guys for everybody who's tuning in to my videos, trying to be consistent guys. So today I'm going to be making some this is called peanut oats punch guys. So I'm gonna blend them together and make a nice strong butt drink for you guys. So remember to subscribe to my channel. Let's get us to 20k. We're still on the road to 20k subscribers guys, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to be showing you guys the things that I'm going to be using in my punch, so stay tuned. Today guys, we're gonna blend up and make some, because guys, I'm on a new journey. We kind of stop eat oily foods, no more KFC, no more fast food, box food, no more of that, right? Because I've gained a lot of weight and it was really slowing me down, making me a little bit too lazy. So I'm trying to consume food that is much more healthier, and that will keep me, you know vibesy and just ready for work. So yeah guys, I'm gonna show you guys the things I'm going to be blending up today. Wait a minute, me gonna use me put sugar. Let's see. So stay tuned guys. Remember to subscribe and like the video guys, please like the video. So stay tuned guys. All right guys, so these are the things I'm going to be using today. So I'm gonna use the Betty milk. You don't have to use it if you're diabetic. You don't have to use it, but may I use it for sweeten my punch today. May I use peanuts, and everybody know that it's good to have nuts and legumes in your daily diet, because it's good for fiber. And what was it? I see it and the oats can actually do the same thing. The oats, I'm using Avena oats. All of a sudden Mr. use the oats here. I don't even know where it come from. Which part this come from? A Fasca what me always use, but two in a bag me even that looks here no Fasca. Guys, me that go use this sugar, but like I already have the Betty, me not go bother use. I'm using this milk. Me no know what I go on guy, but it hard to find surge milk on counter right now. So this milk is the next best thing. It is it has like it tastes it tastes like you have like sugar in it. Not to be used as breast milk substitutes. Yeah. But they say no sugar added, but it tastes sweet to me. I'm gonna put some gen to boost up your body. Also in the punch as well. We're gonna blend up everything. We have, so we have with vanilla to spice it up, and with cinnamon to spice it up as well. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. Stay tuned, guys. Remember to subscribe. Do not watch the video and don't subscribe, guys. A lot of people are watching the videos and they're not subscribed, guys. You have to subscribe to and hit that post notification bell so that as I post you can, and if you don't notice guys, me look different from what the me did. Me don't know. Me don't know me that put on so much weight ago. But as I said guys, I was kinda, I was eating a lot of KFC. A lot of KFC because I always me love KFC. But 1 month no since me not eat none cause me try to consume less oily foods, and KFC are straight oily food right through. So yeah, we're trying to eat healthy, more healthier foods that is good for our bowels, and just like the oily food, good for you. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. See if we can get the belly flat. See, they even look flat right now. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Remember to subscribe again. Stay tuned for this drink. All right, guys. So we have everything set. So may I go get everything in the blender. So this is how may I go do my punch, right? May I go blend the milk, because when you blend the milk, it's more creamy and stuff. So yeah. So we have to do the right thing. Hey guys. So most I make me put in, I shouldn't put too much, but that's how I go. Then I will put in the supper gin. We'll put in the supper gel now. So we are gonna put in the supper gel now in it. Yeah, I think me put too much milk, but I say I go more want enough. We are put supper gel. I go put. Can me I blend everything together. I may do a wrong thing. Wait. I think you can blend together. I know. I suppose you can blend. Cause I want all our milk. I go blend up the peanut. It's a, me I blend the peanut. Not put too much. Want everything blend together. I don't want it blend separate, because when I blend it separate, you know make no like no sense. You not put too much peanut in it. I put some oats, not too much oats, not too much oats, guys. Alright, so yeah guys, we go put my peanut in some of the milk. For the milk. And put some of the oats as well in it together. I'm gonna put some vanilla, cinnamon, the cinnamon in it. We're gonna do this and put cinnamon. And then guys, I'm gonna be putting some common foil eggs. Yeah. So yeah guys, now also I'm gonna put in some common foil egg in it. Two common foil egg guys. Just two in the punch. You see. I make sure say it good guys. Yeah. That's one. The one next one. Second one. We're gonna blend them up together. Guys, we're gonna blend them up together now. Okay guys, I'm gonna drink my own. Right. Yeah guys, now put the rest to cool in the fridge and stuff. This is a meal guys. It's a meal where you full your belly and keep your guys. It tastes like a food that you eat to me. It tastes like just one simple punch, right? Hmm? Yeah, that's right. And the peanut, you blend up, but it's still full. Yeah, guys. So yeah guys, we have come to the end of another video guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post another video. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Let's get us to 20k subscribers guys. So yeah guys, today we made peanut oats strong back kid friendly drink. So yeah guys, kids can drink it because it don't have any alcohol, and most of the strong back them guys, them contain alcohol, but this one guys not have none. So stay tuned guys, hit those post notification bells so that you guys get notified whenever I post another video and stuff. I also want you guys to comment. So if you have any more like different ideas in punch videos, um, you guys tell me. The one here, the kind of rush. Me never get to explain like the benefits of the different ingredients, the different things that I put in my punch, guys. So say the milk is for protein for bones and teeth, and it's when you blend the milk with when you blend up the food, guys, it goes in your bloodstreams like little easier than, and it give your body less work, and then it 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 allows you to have less fat as well, because remember that fat is waste from food that you eat, right? So if your body get the blended food, it has less work to do and easier to blend up and get the nutrients them we're supposed to get out of the food. So that's why most people that are on strict diets, you see them blend up the food, anything with them I eat, they mostly blend it up, guys, because in smaller portions it means that less waste is left in your body. So yeah, guys, so if you decide to go on a health journey and you realize, say, no matter how you exercise, no matter how you diet, you still not lose weight and stuff, maybe you can start eating foods that are blended, such as this, which and guys, it keeps you just as if you eat the food big, right? Just as if, so that's why it is good to blend up your food, and you just blend it up and you spice it up with your vanilla and your cinnamon, so that when you when you spice it up, guys, say it tastes good and you go want to eat it. You don't have to eat something which tastes bad, because 'cause that's why most people don't want to go on diet, because they must say, oh, me have to go blend up this and it now go taste good. You can make it delicious and it's yet it's still healthy, guys. So in my next video, I'm gonna try to get some greens like cucumber and them different green and make a green juice. I'm going to research that and see what is best, because as I said, guys, I'm on a journey of no more oily foods. Me still eat sweets and stuff, but me not eat no more fried chicken unless I me fry it in my yard, right? No more going out and eating no more fried chicken, no more KFC. Or even if me eat KFC, it must like feel a few minutes, or like if me go I'ma decide to more have like one little piece of chicken, but not every day. But not every day. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, hit those post notification bells so that you get notified whenever I post another video. Bye.